Hello, this is Risi Literatus, and today I'm going to show to you how to compute grades using Microsoft Excel or WPS Office spreadsheet.
Okay, so now let us start computing grade using our spreadsheet. So first, you have to open the spreadsheet. So you can either use the Microsoft Excel or the WPS Office spreadsheet. So in my case, I'm using the WPS Office spreadsheet. Now let us start. So first, we need to input all the needed information as well as the components for grading. Now I will start with the learner's name. So to do that, we have to highlight the cells needed, then merge. Then write learner's name. So for the other components, so for example, I will be needing 5 columns for written works, another 5 column for performance task. So don't forget to merge performance task. And I'll be needing 3 for quarterly exam. And here I will put the final grade. Okay, so we have already here all the components needed. So let's start now. So in writing the learner's name, so to make it all this part merge, so you have to merge it first, then to go at the corner. So if you see the red, the cross sign, so you can drag. So it means you can copy the format for that one. So let's drag it up to here. Now we can start writing students' names. So for example, let's name it A, B, C, D, and E. Okay. So after inputting all the needed information and the components for grading, we can now start making formulas. Now let's have this one first. So for example, the first written work is 20 points. The second one is 30. So to have the total here, to have the automatic answer for this total, you can click that one, go to formulas, and then auto sum. So automatic, so 20 plus 30, that's 50. For the percentage, PS means percentage score, so that would be 100. And for the weighted score, so for written works, that would be 30%. So you can put 30%. And you can do the next one. Once everything is ready, now you can start putting the scores for your student. So let's start with the letter student A. So for example, on the first written work, he got 18 out of 20. Then on the second work, he got 30. So what would be the total for that? So to copy the formula that we just have here, so you have to highlight that one, go to the bottom corner. So once you see the cross line, so you have to click and drag. So it means the formula that we have here on top would be copied up to the end. So if we put scores for here, automatically it will get the total. So to get the percentage score for each student, so let's try making a formula. So equals the total score for the student over the highest possible score, then multiply to 100. Then you get the percentage score for student A. So to get the percentage score of the other students, all you have to do is click the cell where you have the formula, go to the lower bottom part here, and once you see that cross sign, you have to click and drag. And to get the weighted score, let's have the formula. So equals the percentage score times, so written work is 30, so we have 30%, then equal. So to get the weighted score of the other student, so let's copy the formula, click and drag. So we have now the percentage score and the weighted score for written works. So that will just be the same for performance task and quarterly exam. So after putting all the scores and getting the percentage score and the weighted score, now let us get now the final grade. So to do that, we have to make formula. So the formula for that is equals, all we have to do is just add all the weighted score. So we have the weighted score for written work plus the weighted score for performance task plus the weighted score for the quarterly exam. Enter. So you got the final grade of 93.55 for student A. So to copy the formula, click and drag. And now you have the final grade for all your students. So we can also add some colors and design on our spreadsheet so that we can easily see the scores and each component. So let's do this. So that's how you can easily compute the grade of your students using spreadsheet. Thank you so much for listening and have a great day.
Hello, this is